去，按个 PPT， 那个是去按个 PPT， 这样。开始了。Hello, this is Lin from Gelgoog.
Hello, this is Jess from Gelgoog. Welcome to.
等一下，这个屏幕弄了什么？屏幕是歪的呀。你看这个屏幕，这个是反的。
Hey, thanks for your time to watch our Thanks for your time to watch our show live. This time we will introduce the automatic frying machine.
Yeah, this is about the frying machine. So what material we can fry it by our frying machine?
It is very different material. For example, the pumpkin, the chin nuts, the meat, or some pastry equipment, dumpling, Chinese dumpling, samosa, and so on. Very many different.
Okay, so what's this on the photo? It's meat, right?
Yes, it is the chicken nuggets. For the chicken nuggets, the processing equipments include first cut the meat into the small cubes, then mix the meat and other material together. Then use the forming machine to make the different shape of chicken nuggets. After the frying machine, the chicken nuggets will go to the frying machine directly to frying it. After frying it, the chicken nuggets can use the oil machine to de-oil the oil. Then go to the cooling machine. Because after the frying or the oiling machine, the chicken nuggets also is very hot. If the workers pick it up by hands, it's very dangerous.
Yeah, it's very hot.
Yes. So it needs a cooling machine to cooling the temperature. After the cooling machine, then it will need the packing machine to packing it into the different weight and in different size of bag. And okay.
Besides the chicken nuggets, our fryer can also fry the chin. And now let me introduce some processing solutions for the chin whole production line. It includes the mixer, the presser, and the cutter, fryer, and packing. First, we need to mix the dough into the shape, and then press it. After press it, we need to cut the chin into different shapes, like the square shape or the moon shape or the triangle shape, and so on. You can see the second photo. It has different shapes of chin. It has different shape of chin. We can about our chin cutter machine, we can customize your chin shape according to your chin photo. Customize the dimensions, the length or the width, and also the different shape, the triangle shape and the diamond and so on, the strip shape and so on. Besides the length and the width, we can also customize the thickness. The thickness can be adjusted by the chin cutter machine and the presser machine. They can both adjust the chin thickness. After normally one chin cutter machine has 5 knives. The 5 cutter to cut different chin shapes and chin size. If you want more chin shapes, you can buy the extra cutter. Just light us your changing photo and sizes, then we quote you one solutions. After cutter the chin, then we need to fry it to get the final product like this. After frying, we also need the packing machine to pack the chin into the bags or the bottles and so on.
Lin, I see this picture. It have many different shape of chin. So our machine can make the different size and shape of chin.
Yes, one machine has five cutters, can do five different chin shapes and five different sizes. If you want more shapes and sizes, just need the extra cutter. Do not need to buy another machine. Just change the changing cutter on the machine is okay. It's very easy to change it. Change that. We can also send you how to change the cutter and how to install the cutter, the video for you.
So the cutting machine have five cutters, right?
Yes, it has five cutters itself. It is included with the machine.
Wow, that's great.
Yes.
So about the packing, I have some customers have a different weight of the chin. Can one machine to pack it?
Um, we have different models of the packing machine. It is decided on your packing weight and the packing bag sizes. So only let us know your packing weight, like maybe about 20 grams or 50 grams or 100 grams. Then we can recommend you the suitable models. The different models packing machine decided on your different packing weight and the packing dimensions. So if you need the whole production line, the whole production changing line machines or some single machines, just feel free to contact us on Alibaba. Okay, okay, next.
So this frying machine not only to can fry the chin but also can fry the spring roll like this and also the samosa and curry puff, Chinese dumpling and other meat. It everything can fry if you want. Okay, next please. Some customers after fry it will pack it to sell it to supermarkets or restaurants together directly. So we also have the different packing machine to pack it into different type. Like this. This is to packing the chicken nuggets, and this to packing the spring roll. Just need to use the pillow packing machine. And in here, and the chin chin also you can pack it into the bags or like this the bottle. Okay, for now, let me introduce this production line. This is the chicken nuggets production line. The first need the meat cube cutting machine. This machine need to cut the meat into the small pieces. Small pieces. The size of the pieces also can change on this machine. So just tell us what is the size of meat cube you want to cut. The machine can do that. After the cutting machine will go to the mixer. In this machine, just need to put the meat small pieces and other material like salt, oil, and seeds and other seeds to into the mixer to mixer it. After mixer, then go to the stretching machine. This machine means to forming the chicken nuggets shape. Um, in the supermarket, we will see some shape of chicken nugget is square or round. It is also can make other shape of chicken nuggets. We also can make it according to your size and shape. Go to after this machine, then go to the spray bright machine. This machine is just for coating the bread or other paste to make the chicken nuggets taste very good. After the frying machine, we'll go to the lifting machine. It is also the conveyor machine. In this part, we'll put the chicken nuggets in here. Then this machine will convey it. And the material of this lifting machine is PVC. It is food PVC. It is very safe to for food. Then go after the lifting machine. Then go to the frying machine. This frying machine is the automatic frying machine. The chicken nuggets will go to the inlet. Then the chicken nuggets will on the conveyor to deliver it into the outlet in here. In here, so this machine can keep the shape of chicken nugget. And also in the frying machine also have two heating tap, gas and electric. So it can meet your demand. After the frying machine, we'll go to the oiling machine because after the frying, the chicken nuggets will have some oil. Oil. The taste is not very good. The oiling machine can oiling the oil of chicken nuggets. Just put the chicken nuggets in this container. Then chicken nuggets will outside in here. Then after the oiling machine, we'll go to the packing machine. This type of machine is pillow packing machine. Just put the chicken nuggets in here. In here, this is the little conveyor in here. Then go the conveyor to remove to this part, the packing part in here. In this part, the back size of the long like this. For example, put this bread in on this conveyor, then the conveyor will deliver it to here. This part, the long, and this part, this size and width, also can change by this part to pack in different size of bag. And also, we have other packing machine like this. This machine is to pack in some small product. For example, the cube chin chin. It is very small. So use this machine is very good. This machine also can pack it into different weight to according to your requirement. For this whole complete production line, we also can provide different capacity to meet your demand. Just tell us what is the size and the shape of chicken nuggets you want to make, and what is the capacity per hour you want. Then we can provide the whole solution to you. Next. In here, to some more details of machine to introduce to you. This machine is the fully automatic frying machine. This part is the main part of frying, and the frying machine will connect with the pan. This is the pan. After this part will connect with the oil tank. When this machine finishes the work, the oil will go out from this pump to go to here, then go to the oil tank to clean the oil. From this picture, this is the right one is the burner. So this heating type of frying machine is the gas. We also have the electric heating type. The inlet in here, so put the material in this inlet, then go to the conveyor to here. This is the outlet. So this frying machine also have different capacity. For example, 300 pieces per hour, 500 pieces per hour, 600 pieces kilogram per hour. And this is the meat cube cutting machine to put the meat in here, then cut the different size. And this is another type of the oil machine. This the oil machine is it is also can connect with this automatic frying machine directly to save labor and save the processing technology. And then in here, this is also another type of frying machine. This type is round frying machine. This is also furnace. So this type is the gas heating type frying machine. And in this type of frying machine is the kind of middle type of frying machine. So we recommend this machine to some customers who already do this business. In this machine, it also can control the temperature and the frying time. It also have the oil filter function. Then go in here. It is outlet of frying machine. From here, it can connect with the oil machine directly. So it is also no need the labor. And no, that's this is the road type of frying machine. This is the oil machine. After the oil machine, it also can go to the packing machine. Yes. Okay, so now Lin, can you introduce this production line to us?
Yes, this is mainly for the chinchin production line. About the chinchin production line, we have the semi-automatic production line and the automatic one production line. For the semi-automatic chinchin production line, the first machine is a mixer machine. Put the raw material flour into this mixer machine to get the dough, and then after mixer, put the chinchin dough into the presser machine to get the dough sheet, and then put the dough sheet into the chinchin cutter machine to cut into different shapes of chinchin. One chinchin cutter machine has 5 cutters, which can do 5 different sizes. And after cutter it into the fryer machine. This is a semi-automatic fryer machine. You can see this photo. It has several baskets on this machine. About this semi-automatic fryer machine, we also have 4 models according to different capacities. One machine has only 1 basket, and another is 2 baskets, and this one is 3 baskets. And also we have this type of the more bigger one. It has 4 baskets. It is semi-automatic. Need people to put the chinchin into this basket, and after fried, it need you to use your hand to carry out these 2 plates, these 2 points to carry out the basket from the fryer machine. And after fryer, it needs the oiler machine to remove some the oiling on the to remove some oil on the chinchin surface. And after the oiling, maybe some customers also need the seasoning machine. I mean the flavoring machine. After flavoring it, then go to the next, the final step, the packing machine to pack the chinchin into the bags. And besides this bags packing machine, we also have another packing machine like the bottle packing machine or the other types. So just let us know your different packing photo, then we can recommend you the suitable packing machines. This one is a semi-automatic one changing production line. About this one, this is the automatic changing production line. The first is same with the semi-automatic one, the mixer and then the pricer. After price the dough sheet, it can it can put the dough sheet into this conveyor, into the cutter machine. The cutter machine can cut chin-chin into different shapes. One cutter has one chin-chin cutter machine has 5 cutters, can cut into 5 different shapes, chin-chin, and all the 5 different sizes. And if you want to get more shapes, more chin-chin shapes, or more chin-chin another sizes, just change the knives on this cutter is okay. And it's very to do that. We can send you some videos about how to install the cutter, how to change the cutter on the machine. And after cutter machine, it is the fryer. This is the round pot one fryer machine. And we also have the fully automatic fryer machine. Later, we will also introduce you. And about this round pot fryer machine, it can auto coat the chin by automatically through this one and into the other machine automatically. Do not need you to carry out this basket. Just put the chin in this, and after finished fried, this machine can automatically auto put the chin into another one machine, the other machine. You just need to press some button on the machine. It is very easy for this automatic machine. After the order to remove the oil on the chin surface, then it can output chin through this the oil machine into the elevator to save more labor, and through the elevator lift the chin into this flavor machine. This is also another automatic one flavoring machine. It can run through the round tube, and after flavoring, it also can be packed into the different packing weights and packing sizes. So we can recommend use a different model. We can recommend use the suitable models for this packing machine. Just let us know your packing weight and packing bags sizes. This also the packing semi-automatic packing machine. And if customers' demand are very big, maybe he has a big factory and or another, he can if he want to save more labor, he can choose another one automatic packing machine. It can add the chin into this packing machine, and then to save more labor to pack the chin automatically, and this is more convenient and save more time. After teaching lecture, our guest introduced the semi-automatic fried pork ring line.
Okay, for this fried pork skin production line, first we need to cut the pork skin into small pieces or big pieces like this. This is some the small pieces or like this, from big and this, and also this. So this is the cutting machine. In this machine, to cut the pork skin into different size. And after cutting, it needs the blanching machine to blanching it first. After the blanching machine will go to the dewater machine, because the pork skin go to the blanching machine first, and it will have it will with the water. The water is a little not good for the next machine, and not good for the taste of pork skin. After the dewater machine, we'll go to the frying machine. For this part, the frying time and the frying temperature also can control by yourself. After the frying machine, will go to the oiling machine. We'll go to the oiling machine. Just put the pumpkin in this container. Then the pumpkin will out in this part, the outlet. Then the conveyor will connect with the oiling machine directly to conveyor the air frying machine. The air frying machine just to cooling down the temperature of pumpkin, because after the frying and the oiling, the pumpkin is also hot. If we just use the worker to pick it up, it is very hot and not safe. So we need the air frying machine to cooling down the frying. This machine also have a different capacity to meet your demand, and also to suitable for this production line. After the air frying machine, will go to the packing machine. This this packing machine is a semi-automatic frying machine to pack in different weight and size. Mm, if you don't want to use so many workers and want to reduce the labor, after the frying machine, we also can connect with the automatic frying packing machine to packing it. It is also okay. Yes. This one is fully automatic production line. And here it is also conveyor. Then conveyor go to the water. This type of the water tap is shocking the water machine. Then the water machine connected with the fully automatic machine directly in here. The material will form this inlet go to the outlet. It will have a conveyor in the frying machine to deliver it. Then after the frying machine will go to the oil machine. After the oil machine will go to the air frying machine. Just now I introduced that. After the air frying machine will go to the conveyor to go to the flavor machine. In this part is in this small container, it to put in some flavor material like salt, seeds, and other things in here. And this container in for to put the pumpkin or other things. When this machine work, this container will move to flavor the material. And in here, it is also the conveyor, the water frying machine, and the oiling. And this is the air frying machine. This is the fan on the frying machine to cooling down the temperature. Then go to the conveyor, and then go to the flavor machine. For this production line, it is also have a different capacity according to your demand, and this line not only suitable for the pumpkin, but also can use for the chin meatball or other things, French fries or potato chips, banana chips, many different products. This one is the semi-automatic frying machine, the basket type of frying machine. This is the control cabinet, and this is this container to put the oil in here. And after frying, you just need the worker to put this and this to pick it up by workers. So this small tube is for for oil. You can see this machine is also have a filter function to filter the other things. This semi-automatic machine also have different capacity, like 50 kilogram per hour, 100 kilogram per hour, 150 kilogram per hour, and 200 kilogram per hour. This type of frying machine we more recommend to our customers who want to start this business. Next. This type is the round type of frying machine. This is the control cabinet, and in this container is to put the material in here. Then in here we'll have a mixer function to mixer it. And this machine also have a different capacity. 100 kilogram per hour, to 200 kilogram and 300 kilogram per hour, like this. Okay, next. Okay, now let my colleague Lin to introduce the automatic frying machine.
This is a continuous fryer. This is a continuous fryer machine. We can customize the lines according to your demand, according to your requirements and the capacities. The capacity, I mean the kilograms. If you need more kilograms, like the 500 kilograms per hour or 600 or 800 kilograms per hour, we can customize these machines according to your capacity. Customize the lines. The longer the machine, and then the capacity is more big. This machine, we have two different heating way. One is a gas heating. You can see this is a burner, and another one is electric heating. The machines can be the machine's heating temperature and the heating time can be adjusted according to the control cabinet. The inside of this continuous fryer machine is the belt. The belt speed can also can be controlled. Through control this belt moving speed, we can control the heating time, the whole circle heating time, and besides this frying speed, we can also control the heating temperature. Because different materials maybe have their different heating temperature, we can adjust the heating temperature according to your requirements through the control cabinet. And this is when machine fried. It's like this, and sometimes we need to clean the machine like this one. When we clean the machine, we can lift this belt, the main part, upper, and then we can to clean it. It is very to operate it and very easy to clean it. We can send you the menu how to clean the machine and how to install the machine, how to operate the machine. It is very easy for that. You can see this one. When machine working, it can generate the heating steam or the heating smoke through this cover, and this one is mainly for the two. This one is mainly the extractor to release the heating temperature. I mean the hot. Yeah, to remove the steam or the smoke through this cover to collect the smoke or the steam, and through this one to release the smoke or the steam. This is our layout of the fryer continuous fryer machine. We can customize it for according to our requirements. According to our customers' requirements, we have the professional engineer can make the layout of the fryer machine for you, and then you can more clear about this one machine. This is a burner, and this one is a oil tank, and this cover is the top guard is the cover to protect the fryer machine when it's working when it's fire. And this one is a lifting part. Like just now I showed you, if you want to clean this machine, you need to lift this cover through this lifting part. And this one is a smoke exhaust to release the smoke and the gas exhaust part. This one is the oil tank. When you to clean the machine, you may need to output the oil into this oil tank to storage the oil, and through the oil pump you can remove the oil through the oil tank into the fryer machine, or from the fryer machine into this oil tank just through this oil pump. And there are some outlines of the fryer machine, like the overflow, the oil drain, and the sewage outlet, and so on. This one is the layout of the machine's mainly parts, and you can through this layout you can know you can learn more details of our fryer machine, the oil tank, and the fryer machine. You can see it has a cover the smoke outer exhaust outlet, and the smaller motor, and this one motor. Okay, next one. The automatic spring roll wrapper. We also have this one machine to do the spring roll wrapper. If you want this machine, you just feel free to contact us on Alibaba. Send us your spring roll photo and the diameter. Maybe it is square or round shape. Our machine can do both this shape, the square shape or the round shape. And about the thickness, it can also be adjusted by our machine. Besides the machine, the thickness also related to your recipe. First step, our machine will make the wrapper, I mean the dough sheet first, and then the final product include the spring roll wrapper. Our machine can make the spring roll wrapper, samosa sheet, injera, and the packing duck wrapper, and lumpia, and so on. And after making this spring roll wrapper, we can also have the fryer machine to fry it. And now let us show you some videos about the fryer machine so that you can know more about how our fryer machine works. This one video is our Denmark customers' feedback about our fryer machine, the continuous fryer machine. The material is pork rinds. Yeah. This is his final product. The pork rinds. This is his factory. after fight, the progress after fight.
This is the chicken nuggets from Finland. Here, this is the city, chicken nuggets, and here you go to the pastry bread, the baking machine to coat some bread or paste. Then the chicken nuggets will go to the frying machine directly. This is the frying machine. After frying machine, this is also the chicken nuggets frying machine here. This is the conveyor. This height of conveyor is 8 centimeters. This is chicken nuggets. 你再放一点，再放一点。
Okay, thank you for your watching. Today we mainly introduce our fryer machine. So if you have any question or need any machines about the fryer machine, feel free to contact us on Alibaba or our website. Bye bye.
Bye. 这个不让我分享，再说。